Crypto.com secures a very important license, while the CRO price has a beautiful bounce off the 21-day simple moving average. So guys, what is going on? Well, I would say let's strap in and let's find out. This video is sponsored by Nova, an upcoming launchpad powered by Kronos. Last week, CRO Bitcoin was nicely ranging in between these two lines here. But a few days ago, we had a breakout to the downside, even though we might have started a real altcoin season here for Bitcoin dominance. But more about that later, guys, in the video, because I first want to talk about the big news of the day, which is Crypto.com securing MiFID licenses to expand traditional investment services across whole Europe. If you have been following the channel, you must have heard that Crypto.com, even though it has crypto in the name, started offering services to sell stocks and commodities right in their app. And now it's only available in the US, but they want to bring it to the whole globe within that one simple app. You can find more information about this on their website if you take a look at their roadmap, because they already have a section specific for stocks and banking here. And you can see stocks and ETF trading is available now in the US. You can see the US flag, but still we have other regions to follow. And the same is true here for spots, contract trading, stock options, and also here the FX. That is also why this MiFID license is so important, because without the license, no stock trading within Europe. And Europe, guys, is still the second largest economy in the world. So a very important customer base for Crypto.com here. But what's interesting I find in the article is that it's not like Crypto.com asked for this license. No, they actually acquired this company called All New Investments. And this company already had the license thanks to the Cyprus Security and Exchange Commission here. What is interesting also is that after this acquisition, it is not only stock trading, it is also including securities, derivatives, and also contract trading. So they can do a lot of things that are also on their roadmap. CEO Chris Marszalek also comments on this acquisition with the following: securing a MiFID license alongside our MiCA license further solidifies Crypto.com's positioning in offering the most comprehensive and regulated suite of financial products for users in Europe. We already have expanded our brand presence in Europe since receiving the MiCA license, and now we look forward to providing customers across the region with even more ways to engage with our platform through these new offerings. Chris also posted this news to his personal X account, but I more want to talk about the comments below. For example, here from Crypto West. If only the CRO price would move up with this news, because, well, spoiler alert, the CRO price didn't really move. But I really want to talk about this comment because, guys, it makes no sense. We're talking here in this thread about the stock market. Crypto.com starting to offer stock trading within their app. It has nothing to do with the CRO token. CRO is a crypto, guys. And again, CRO is not a share of Crypto.com. And yes, of course, I do understand there's a big link between Crypto.com and the CRO token, because previously it was called the Crypto.com coin, but now it isn't anymore. I have to also take a look at the broader market. But I want to say the following, because in the long term, this move here of bringing stock trading to Europe and stock trading and everything really to expand the Crypto.com business is good for the CRO token. And why is that? Well, let me show you on the Crypto.com site. If you now go to the level up page on the Crypto.com website, you can find really the focus here on stocks and banking and a lot less on the cards. Because, guys, previous cycle, it was all about the cards. The crypto cards were really one of the unique selling points of the CRO token and of Crypto.com. You can find those in the back. And they are still really important, but also now you can find the stocks, you can find the banking. And take a look at this, guys, up to 7.5% cash rewards. You cannot simply get that with any bank now in Europe, I can guarantee that. So if you want to get those nice rewards, for example, in the stock market or in banking, you need to get CRO, because any tier next to the midnight one requires you to actually buy CRO to get any of these benefits. And $45,000 or euros here of CRO, that actually makes a difference in actually getting more demand and more lockups for the CRO token. The big thing though here, ladies and gentlemen, is that of course this feature wasn't yet available in a big part of the world. you couldn't do stock trading anywhere else than in the US. But now it is coming soon to Europe and also soon to Australia. So it makes more sense to start up a global marketing campaign. So I think, guys, when things are really fired up by Crypto.com, I think more and more people will discover the Level Up program and also therefore discover the CRO token. And that, of course, is a big demand driver that I think will come very soon. And having said that, guys, I also think that the timing is very nice here, with Bitcoin dominance maybe starting its collapse very soon with an actual alt season. But more about that, guys, after a quick word from today's sponsor. Nova Fox is an upcoming launchpad and also a game on the Kronos chain, but also Solana. The launchpad has been activated and the foundation is built, and soon we also will get the NFX token launch. NFX will be in the middle of all the fun in the game and also on the launchpad, with only 100 million fixed supply with deflationary mechanisms, audited by Certic, so really a great feed-forward token, and also it will have real utility across launchpad access, staking, and AI-powered GameFi. So guys, great thing, check it out. All links will be in the description down below. Anyways, let's get back here to the CRO token, because yesterday in my video, I was talking about the daily chart here, saying that typically I would expect us to bounce up off the 21-day simple moving average. And yeah, we had this wick to the downside, but like I mentioned, only a few hours later, we went into the green once more. And I really think, guys, that this will be the escape to the upside very soon. And why do I think that? Well, just take a look here at Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is on such a run. Right now, we're heading again to the previous all-time high of about 109K for Bitcoin. So, guys, things are looking very great for Bitcoin. I think this upward trend can still go way higher. We talked about targets for Bitcoin at about 130K. One token outperforming Bitcoin is here Ethereum, because Ethereum also wants to return to this uptrend here on the chart. And what you can see also, like what we talked about for CRO, is this beautiful bounce on the 21-day simple moving average. We might need another bounce though. You can see that we have been struggling a bit in the last few days, but also this 21-day simple moving average is coming up fast. So maybe we need one more retest to find our strength there. And whenever we get that final bounce that brings us up to this uptrend here, I also think the days for Bitcoin dominance might be over very soon. And why do I think that? Well, just take a look here at the chart, because yeah, it went a bit higher, but do you see here that it really struggles to go above 64%? 64% seems to be, I really believe here at least, the lower high. And if you continue then the downtrend to even lower levels, well, then I think that we can say now that altcoin season really has started. So that's the purple area. But unfortunately, guys, I cannot confirm that, yeah, as also is visible here on the CRO Bitcoin chart. Because, yeah, CRO Bitcoin is currently below the zone that we've been trading in for weeks by now. But I do hope that soon we are returning to these levels here, as Bitcoin dominance might collapse even further. We have to wait and see though, guys, so don't forget to really strap in to find out what's really happening here on the charts. To summarize though, ladies and gentlemen, in the short term, this MiFID license isn't a big deal for CRO, but in the long term, it could be a game changer. And also the charts are looking still quite healthy, especially if Bitcoin goes to those new all-time highs. But we'll wait and see. Don't forget though to like this video and also subscribe for more. And also check out yesterday's video if you missed the news regarding the unlock of 1.16 billion CRO.